Hi, folks. Martin Lackey, Lions Realty and Investments, broker by EXP, your easy bake oven living expert. So, in this video today, we're going to take a journey and talk about pre-approval. So, some of you might think that getting that pre-approval letter is actually, scary and a bad thing, but it's not. I want to tell you, just don't be scared to go get that pre-approval letter. Don't be scared to go see where you're at in the situation. See, some of us don't know what the process is of home ownership. That's what I'm here for. So if you ever have any questions or like to know what the process is of becoming a homeowner, or even what the process is of selling your home, give me a call. We have a ton of options that are available to anyone, and we can get anything, so almost anything sold. So this pre-approval letter thing, I keep coming up saying, people saying, hey, I'm scared to go, do this, and it's hard to do that, but it's really not. Getting that pre-approval letter guarantees that, for one, you're going to know exactly what situation you're in. You're going to know exactly what you need to do to get to that point. So if you do get denied, which you probably won't, because if you hollered at me first, I'm going to make sure everything is taken care of, and I'm going to make sure we get that fear on up out the way so that you have confidence going into this process. So if you decide that you want to get pre-approved, please give me a call. We'll make sure it happens. But just don't be scared to call your bank, call any bank, and just ask them about the process. Everyone has different ways of how they do their home loans. So you might have one bank say one thing, you might have another bank have a whole total different process. But don't be scared to get that pre-approval letter. Once you go to talk to that bank, even if you get denied, you get to find out exactly where you're at again. And you have to, I tell my clients to walk backwards. So you start with the end in mind. If you do decide and you do get denied, the one thing you will know for sure is exactly what you have to do to get pre-approved or to get approved for this home loan. Whether that be getting more lines of credit or whether that be paying off some credit. I don't know. Your banker will tell you exactly what you need to do to get approved. You take that information and you walk that information right on back to someone like me and you ask for help. Don't be scared to ask for help. That's another thing I noticed that people are scared, are hard of. Don't let your pride get in the way of becoming a homeowner and having some generational wealth. Don't let your pride be the reason why you and your family aren't eating. So with that said, the bankers are pretty cool. I know some pretty cool bankers, pretty cool people that look out for you, that I trust, and they will help you with this process. I will help you with this process. So stop being scared to have that talk. It's easy to get into a home. It's pretty simple. They have first-time homeowner programs. They have programs that even no money down programs. So again, we are here to take our turn, and I'm here to show you how to take your turn. So whenever you're free, give me a call, hit like or click. I don't know where that button is, right here, right there. I don't know. Hit that like or subscribe button and keep in touch. We often have many ways of how we're gonna bring content to you guys. So I just wanted to come bring a quick video to you today to tell you that process is not as hard as people trying to make it seem. Stop being scared to go talk to the bank. Make that bank buy your money. So make that bank compete for your money is what I'm trying to say. So again, this is Martin Lackey, Lions Realty and Investors, broker by EXP Realty, and we're going to take our turn. I'm going to show you, and my team will show you the exact steps you need to do everything you need to take your turn. So call today, click today, like or click that button today. Give me a call, and we're going to go out and take our turn. God bless you guys. Love you.